exclusive or whatever, a tour of my new car. Okay, that's my uncle. That's my uncle. No. Come on, let's go into the car. Okay, so this is the car. It's red. It's really pretty. Uh-huh. And that's my brother. And this is our brand new car. But we have to ask my mom to open the car. So, Allison, can you? Okay. It's gonna be weird in my house. So. Mom. Mommy. Mom, can you open the car?
She said no, yes.
She said yeah.
She said yes or no?
She's coming. Bye. Okay, let's go in. Let's go in. Okay. Okay.
Okay, Dylan, tú te tienes que sentar en medio. ¡Mami, mi cargador!
Her charger. Tía, el cargador de la...
¡El cargador mío! Wait.
Vámonos.
Mira.
Oh.
Can you open the car? Wait, stop. Don't close it.
This is the TV.
Don't close it.
You're leaving me alone. Bye.
Wait.
This is the TV. And this is the door. These are what the seats look like. You know what it is. I'm not going to have to tell you. And then, of course, here we got some radio. Then we got some mirrors. The lights are on for some reason. And then we just have that. You know what I mean. Then we have this. And then we have our neighbor's car over here. And over here in the back of the car. There's light.
Goodbye.
Bye.
What are you doing?
Bye.
What are you doing? What are you doing?
Nothing.
Bye.
Bye.
See you later.
Bye.
Maybe Friday.
Okay, probably.
¿Me esperas?
Okay, bye.
¿Me esperas cuando salga de la escuela?
Yeah.
Okay.
I'll wait for you. Bye.
Bye.
Okay, now that that's over. I love my cousin. She's the best. I barely get to see her sometimes. Whatever. Then over here, we got a spotlight. Then, of course, up here. Ugh. And then this is really cool. Watch. I don't know how to put them up or whatever. I'm not strong. Ugh. There we go. So close. Just one little bit more. And there we go. Ugh. Woo! Whatever, there's the back seat. That's usually our little space, but over here there's another seat. I just don't want to open it anymore. Now let's see how I close it. Ooh, ooh. I can barely reach. Great. Well then. I don't know. Get back into shape. I'm just gonna put this stay there. Then it's like a movie theater. Cause look, over here it's like a movie theater. Look, and then we have my face. And some bags. Oh, dang. This is my stepfather's car, but it's a family car. We bought it. It's really new. And I have another car that I can't show you because my grandma is using it to work. You might think it's weird. My grandma's living with me. Who cares? Everybody has their grandma living with them. So you better shut your petunia or whatever. Because I'm Spanish. I can say whatever I want. It's a free country. And also, shout out to my cousin for being in this video. She will be in mostly, like, sometimes all my videos. And this show that I have to choose a name. Because this is my first official video. I'm going to choose a name. And so hopefully subscribe or whatever. Give this thing a thumbs up. I don't know. I don't know what I'm going to name it. I don't know what I should name it because I've tried to make videos before. It's never worked. I've put my name sometimes in it. And then it just lands me to other girls that are named the same name as me. Then I tried to do this Bean Boozle challenge and it never worked. It was with my other cousin. He was a boy. It's cool. Anyway, this is the car that I sometimes go to school. Pretty cool. So, oh, and also, what? This is that car right there. This one, that's my aunt's car. She has a pretty awesome vehicle. And it's awesome. I think I just got locked. Either that or my brother is here with me. I would have to pick brother. My brother's tiny. Dang, I got locked away. There we go. Let's get out. I thought I was gonna be locked in here. Oh look, this TV, it works. This is my side. And look, my brother's TV, it doesn't have the button. From over here, you see that? I don't know if you can see it, but it's right there. Anyway, thanks for watching this video. Hopefully give it a thumbs up and do whatever you can. So, let's get out of this car. I don't want to get out. Stupid boys in my neighborhood. I'm not calling them stupid, just that they're mean. Don't be offended if you're watching this video and you live here. You would probably recognize it. Okay, I'm out of the car. My cousin's out. Only one thing to know. Am I locked out? And I don't know them. So, I'm gonna be showing you the car again. But from the front. Here we go. This is the front. GMC. Good company, my mom says. Then over here, we have the side. Some wheels, of course. The light over here. Just gonna walk through this. Then we've got the back. Oh, no car. And then same thing over here. Oh my gosh, I'm so scared. Okay. I'm gonna raise this thing high. Very, very high. Then, I don't know if you can see that. But there's like something on top of the car. Something right over there. Let me just put my phone. Woo. Don't spill me. Sorry you had to see that. Let me show you the way I walk from school. So, you see that trail over there? That's a shortcut that I take to school, just in case. So I just walk here. One time I dropped my binder and it fell somewhere over there, but I was like, la la la, my binder. You're kidding me, right? Ooh. So you can see it more. There we go. There it is. That thing. My finger's really big. Okay. That was everything I had to show you. My car, the shortcut, me of course. I will not tell you my name. You try to guess my name. Some people already know my name. This boy in my class, yeah. Stupid little. Forget I say that. I just hate him. He called and he called me Bigfoot. But girls, this is what you're gonna do if anybody bullies you. Threaten them that you're gonna punch them. Do a really cool kick up to here. You couldn't see that. Used to be a cheerleader, so I can do that. It's a free country. I can do whatever I want. And if they judge you for their looks, for your looks, tell a boy, it's a free country. And if you're Spanish like me, tell them, I'm Latina. I don't care what you think. So you better shut your mouth and go judge somebody else, because you ain't going to judge me unless you want this fist shoved in your face. So I will do a bully video, like about what you should do. And we're going to react, maybe some scenes with my cousin on Friday, maybe. And that's pretty much it. So, another exclusive of the car. You just heard me. I'm not going to tell you my name at all. But this is my car. That is my home. Not like that one that you saw there. That's just some neighbor's house. I love them. They're so beautiful. They gave me extra candy. No, they didn't. I just love them. They're the best. This is my house. Neighbor again. Just showed you every single thing. This is, well, I think that's about it. So, see ya later. Look at the bush. So, bye. Toodles.